Hey YouTube, this is a video of my shifter for my Chrysler 300. There you go, finished product. I actually did not record the video what I was doing the step-by-step in it, but I'm gonna show you guys what I used. This is a sheet metal. This one actually, I just cut it into half, grind it down real smooth, and then I bought from Air's hardware store to take all the molding, all the grease stuff, so the paint could stick. The shifter, I bought it at Pep Boys. My old shifter was actually a gun handle. It was actually all the way down here, all the way down here. I didn't like it, so I don't know if what you guys think about this one. It's pretty cool. I did a little bit of a design with the electric scissor cutter, and you see right here I did like the designs, like the sticks, only if it'll focus. There you go. Here it looks pretty good. And then what I painted it with the spray can, semi-gloss, the enamel one, and with the clear also. So I did 2 coats of black and 2 clear. So it's pretty decent. Looks smooth. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah. So from the outside, looks pretty decent. This is my Chrysler 300. I also installed some halo lights. See if I'll show you guys some halo lights. See if you guys can see it good. There you go. Pretty good. Chrysler 300. There you go. Nightcrawler. Show you guys on this side. That's my shifter.